In class today we are going to discuss question number 6b, information transfer. Now what exactly is information transfer? That is, we transform information or content from non-verbal to verbal or verbal to non-verbal. Now what is non-verbal? That is a kind of figure or a pie chart or a tree diagram is given to you and you are supposed to change that one, transfer into a passage, or a passage is given to you and the given content and knowledge is you are supposed to represent that one in a graphic form. Now for practice, there is a figure on your screen, that is admissions in engineering course. Now here a graph is given, a single line graph is given along with the number of students and the year. That is, for example, if you see 2013 girls and boys, the admissions were near about 100 and 125. The girls, near about 100 girls took admission in engineering in the year 2013 and near about 125 boys took admission in engineering. And like that only you can see to 2014, 2015, 16, 17. Now this is represented in a graphic form, and what are we supposed to do? That is, we are interchanging this knowledge or this information from non-verbal to verbal. It means that is a graphic forms or whatever the information is given in a picture, you will draw that information in a verbal form. That is, you will frame statements or sentences to represent the given information. Okay, so whenever we try to transform information from non-verbal to verbal, we are supposed to follow some norms. Now let us see the norms to be followed while changing from non-verbal to verbal. Children, I am repeating that non-verbal means a graphic form. It can be a tree diagram, it can be a picture, it can be a pie diagram, it can be in a tabular form. That is, the information is very compact given over here, and when you are turning that one into a passage, you are inserting that content or that given specific information. You are turning that specific information into a statement. So let us see, when we transform from non-verbal to verbal, so what are we supposed to do? See, this is information transfer. That is, you are communicating with others. Okay, it will be in a written form. So here you need to be very specific regarding the things that your reader should be able to understand each and everything. That is, whatever the content is there, that is from the graphic you are turning into a passage. So you are supposed to, first of all, you are supposed to give a title, the main title. That means what is the content about. Okay. Now as we are turning into a verbal form, so it's very specifically you should make paragraphs. It's mandatory to write in paragraphs. Now when we are turning that one in a verbal form, that is statements you are going to put up over there. So what are you supposed to do? You should be very, very careful regarding the grammatical mistakes. The statement should be grammatically very, very correct. Along with that, as you are writing that one, so you should be very careful regarding your spellings also. Now at the same time, when you start with the title, the beginning and the main content, there in near about 2 paragraphs you are going to cover by taking care that the statements are grammatically very correct. Now you need to close also. Closing conclusion of the given content is very important, and if it is not done, so you may lose your marks in your examinations. Now let us see the distribution of the marks in information transfer, that is from non-verbal to verbal. So that is from the given graphic, when you're turning that one into a passage, what are you supposed to do? You should give a title, and if a correct title is given, definitely you will grab 1 marks. Now about the content, that is whatever the total information is provided in that graph, pie diagram, or a tree diagram, you need to cover all those points while transforming that one into a statement. At the same time, the language should be very correct with the proper spellings as well with the proper grammatical statements. And here if you are not mistaking, so definitely you can get 2 marks. So this is title for 1 marks, content for 2, and the language and format will be for 2 marks. So not less than 4 and 4.5 you can grab if you are writing it very correctly. So today children, we here discuss information transfer, that is from non-verbal to verbal. Today we will discuss about how to interchange the information, given information from verbal to non-verbal. Okay.